Hello students, today let me discuss the second important element of your first chapter, and the second important element is characteristics of business activities. Characteristics of business activities. Let me now discuss all these characteristics one by one. So the first important characteristics of the business activity is it involves two parties. So who are the two parties in the business activities? The two parties can be, one is the buyer and another one is the seller. These are the two parties which we can see in case of business activities. And as far as the buyer is concerned, buyer is having many number of expectations, many number of wants, desires, as well as the demands. Just by purchasing goods from the sellers, he wants to satisfy his needs and wants. That is the behavior of the buyer. And apart from that, if you see him, he always wants to purchase the good quality products at a reasonable price. This is the one more characteristics of the buyer. And as far as the seller is concerned, seller always wants to convince the consumer so as to buy his products only. And just by creating a demand in the minds of the consumers, seller wants to increase the sales, and also he wants to maximize his profits. That is the behavior of the sellers. That is why, so as to call it as a business or the business activity, there must be essentially need of at least two parties. One party by himself, he cannot do anything. That is why in every business you can see there will be two parties, namely buyers as well as the sellers. And second point is concerned, the second important characteristics is that business is a human activity. Why business is so called as human activity? Because basically the human beings are involved in the business activities. Who are those human beings? Best example can be buyers, sellers, manufacturers, brokers, agent middlemen. Like this, n number of parties are directly or indirectly participate in this activity. That is why this is going to led by the human beings only. That is why it is so called as the human activity. And third important characteristics is that it is an economic activity. Why it is so called as economic activity? Because here every businessman is having an intention to earn the profit. He wants to earn for the livelihood. That is why it is so called as the economic activity. And apart from that, every businessman used to deal in money or money's worth. For that reason also it is so called as the economic activity. And every businessman is going to produce the products by utilizing the resources which are available within the company. For that reason, it is so called as the economic activity. So, these are the justification why it is so called as the economic activity. That is the third important characteristics of the every business. And fourth thing is that it is a trading activity. What actually is mean by trading? Trading means buying and selling. So if you see every businessman, they used to engage themselves in buying and selling of the goods as well as the services. And if it is goods are going to be exchanged for the goods, then it is not so called as the trading activity. Actually what they are going to do here is they used to exchange the goods for the money or money's worth. That is why every businessman is going to engage himself in the buying as well as the selling of goods as well as the services also. That is why it is so called as the trading activity. That is the fourth important characteristics. And fifth thing is that it is a social activity. Business is the social activity. Why? Because each and every companies are going to utilize the resources of the society, and after utilizing that they have to give something in return to the society itself. In these days, the social responsibility of company is very important, and each and every companies are extending the social responsibility towards the consumers, towards the government, towards the employees, towards the government, trade unions, towards the suppliers. Why? Because the companies wants to enhance their image by extending some good deeds towards the society. That is why in these days every companies are forefronting by involving themselves in the social developmental activities. That is why business is a social activity. So that is the fifth important characteristics of the business activity. And sixth thing is that production or procurement of goods and services. What actually by production? Production means it is something like a manufacturing activity. So there if you see, they used to engage themselves in conversion of raw materials into the finished products. That is why they used to engage themselves in a function of production. Or procurement. Procurement means sometime the manufacturer may not be having sufficient equipments so as to produce the products. What he will do? Whoever the producers have produced those semi-finished products, those semi-finished products are going to be purchased by the producers. Sometimes the equipments cannot be there. Sometimes the components cannot be there. Those equipments and the components have been produced by somebody else. What this manufacturer will do? He simply procure. He simply purchase those semi-finished products as the spare parts, as the components from the some other seller. That is why if you see the business activity, they used to engage themselves in the production or procurement of the goods and services. And seventh thing is that the optimum utilization of the resources. This is one of the most important element in business activity. Why? Because in every company you will find many number of resources. That can be men, material, labor, capital, organization, infrastructure, information technology. Like this, many number of resources are available within the company. But company has to utilize all those resources, not making any kind of the wastage. They have to effectively and efficiently optimize all those resources. Just by optimizing all those resources, they can rightly produce the products, and thereafter they can sell the products to the consumers. That is why optimum utilization of the resources is the one of the most important characteristics of the business activities. And eighth one will be the sale or exchange of goods and services. Sale or exchange of goods and services in the sense they used to make delivery of the goods to the consumers for some consideration. That is what we mean as the sale or exchange of the goods and the services. What they will do? just by making delivery of the goods, they are going to transfer the ownership rights with respect to the products, and those products are going to be exchanged for the money or money's worth. That is why it can be one of the most important characteristics of the business activities. And ninth one will be the profit earning. Profit is the one of the most important element of every business. Why? Because every business wants to maximize their profits. So as to maximize their profits, they are going to increase the sales turnover. They are going to increase the demand in the minds of the consumers. They are going to minimize the cost of the products. Likely they are going to increase the sales and reduce the cost. Likely they are going to maximize the profits of the company. And without earning profits, a company cannot sustain and survive for the long term duration of the time. That is why for every company, it is one of the most important essential element of every business activity. And 10th one will be the uncertainty of the returns. Uncertainty of the returns means returns cannot be so easily been predicted. If you ask any businessman how much return that you can earn in this month, if you ask this question, how he could answer? He said that no, my returns are unpredicted. I cannot so easily anticipate my returns. Why? Because my returns are truly been depends on many factors which are going to influence my business activity. There are competition is there, technological advancement is there, and changes in the political environment is there, technological environment is there. All those are going to influence my business activity. That is why I cannot predict how much return that I am going to gain in this month. To that extent, there is a uncertainty of the risk is there, and sometimes instead of earning the profits, he may undertake loss also. That is why risk and the return are most important, two important elements of the business activity. That is why even you cannot predict the returns to be earned by the every businessman. So these are the some of the essential characteristics of the business activity. Please go through the slide. Okay, with this I am going to conclude my discussion. Thank you.